So right, this is a 4-ply yarn. It's milk cotton and 3mm crochet hook. Alright, and I'm going to make a slip knot. And then I'm going to make chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I made 150 chains. And I'm gonna get this. What I'm going to do, okay, there are spaces here after this line here, so just make a slip stitch there. Alright, okay, there we go. And now, so going back to the chains, right, so I'm going to make a slip stitch in the chain, one, in the next chain 2, 3, 4, five, and then I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Then in the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet. Alright, in the next chain, okay, make a half double crochet, and in the last chain make a double crochet, and then in the same stitch here in the same chain, okay, right here, a slip stitch. Okay, so there. Now continue. Wait. And then continue. Okay, make a slip stitch in 15 chains. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2. Then I'm going to again okay, so in the next stitch make a slip stitch, or in the next chain make a slip stitch, and then I'm going to make another leaf here. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second chain, make a single crochet. In the next chain, make a half double crochet. In the third chain, make a double crochet. And then in the same chain here, make a slip stitch. And then again continue 2, 3. Now I'm here at the end, so I'm going to just make a slip stitch here. Okay, and now I'm gonna cut my yarn. And I will weave here on this side. Alright, now I'm going to make a small flower, and I'm using a 2mm crochet hook and a thin yarn. So first thing is make a slip knot. And then make 14 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now in the fourth chain, so 1, 2, 3, 4. In the fourth chain, I'm going to make 3 double crochet. So it's the first one. 1. So in the same chain, make another 2, and again in the same chain 3. In the next chain, a single crochet. Skip the next chain and make again 3 double crochet in the chain after that. So skip 1, and then in the next chain 3 double crochet. Okay, next chain, 1 single crochet, skip 1, and then 3 double crochet in the next one. In the next chain, 1 single crochet, skip 1, chain and then make 3 double crochet, and then in the last chain here 1 single crochet. Turn your work, then make 2 chains, and in the next, okay, so here's the first, in the second stitch, right, make 1 double crochet, okay, and then in the next stitch 2 double crochet, 1, 2, in the next 1 double crochet, chain 2, then make a slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 2, in the next stitch 1 double crochet, in the next 2 double crochet, in the next stitch 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, in the next stitch make a slip stitch, chain 2, in the next stitch 1 double crochet, in the next one 2 double crochet, after that in the next stitch 1 double crochet, chain 2, make a slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 2 again, in the next stitch 1 double crochet, in the next 2 double crochet, in the next stitch 1 double crochet, chain 2, and there in the side, okay, in the chain here in the side make a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn, and leave a long tail, okay, quite a long tail. All right, okay, and now I'm going to get my needle, and I'm gonna roll this, okay, like so. All right, I'm gonna tie this. and then I'm going to make another flower. Okay, another flower. So all right, and I made white. Okay, so I did the same thing. I just cut the tails, then I'm gonna join them together. Okay, so here I'm going to sew this here. Lock it one more time. Okay, and then gonna hide this here.